How to fix low quality story on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix low quality story on Facebook. If you are facing this issue, then there are several ways you can try to fix this issue. First of all, you need to ensure that you have the stable and strong internet connection. If you are using mobile data, consider switching to the Wi-Fi network for better speed. Also ensure you have the latest version of Facebook application installed on your device. Now if you have done that, let's adjust the upload settings. First of all, you need to open your Facebook applications on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, on this page at the top right, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those lines to access the menu. From this page, you need to tap on the settings icon at the top. Once you tap on settings, you will be taken to the settings and privacy page. Here you need to scroll down and find media option. You can find this option under preferences section. Once you find this option, tap on it to open it. Here in this page, you need to select the HD video quality for photos and videos in your story. You need to make sure you have selected this optimize option. This will adjust videos to the network conditions. After doing that, let's clear the cache of your application. For that, you need to open your device settings and there find applications and permissions. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. The exact steps may be different, so you need to find the application option from the settings. You may also use the search bar presented in the interface. Now here you need to tap on App Manager in order to access the page where you will find all the application installed on your device. Now once this page loads, here you need to find Facebook application. Scroll down to find the Facebook application and once you find it, tap on it to open it. Here on this page, here tap on internal stories. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. And now finally you will find clear cache option. Tap on clear cache in order to remove all the cache from the application. You can also clear data option right here, but make sure once you do that, all the file settings will be deleted and you will not be able to retrieve them. If you are okay with that, go ahead and tap on this OK button. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix low quality story on Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.